1. Unpack and check all parts. Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Phoenix Versatile H-Frame Professional Studio Easel. First, remove all parts from the package and place them neatly on the table. The main easel frame is pre-assembled and does not need to be installed. Remove the protective film from the parts before assembly. Please check that all components are included. 1 extension rod for rear support bars, 3 sliding blocks, 2 hardware bags, caster wheels, and 4 wooden base pieces. There are 14 main wooden components in total. To assemble the base frame, we will start with the base. Find the 4 wooden base pieces. The pieces with caster holes should be placed at the bottom, because these holes are used to install the wheels later. Pay attention to the direction of the holes. One front base rail has no hinge holes. This piece should be installed at the front and upper position. The rear base rail has 3 hinge holes. This piece should be installed at the back and lower position. When installing the rear rail, make sure the triangular hole layout faces inward and toward the front. Do not reverse the direction, otherwise the base will not assemble correctly. 3. Install the barrel nuts. Open the hardware bag and find the barrel nuts. Insert the barrel nuts into the holes on the wooden base pieces. Make sure the slot on each barrel nut is aligned with the screw hole. This alignment is very important. If the slot is not aligned, the screw will be difficult to tighten. Use a screwdriver to adjust the barrel nut if needed. Once the barrel nuts are aligned, insert the screws and tighten them. After this step, the base frame is assembled. For install the rear support hinges on the base. Next, find the short rear support bars with hinges. The hinge side should face inward. Place the support bars onto the pre-drilled holes on the rear base rail. Use the small gold screws from the hardware bag to secure the hinges. After installation, the support bar should fold inwards midway. Make sure both support bars are installed in the same direction. Five, install the rear support bars on the main frame. Now take the main easel frame and turn it to the back side. On the middle rear rail of the frame, you will see pre-drilled holes for the rear support hinges. Find the longer support bars with hinges. Place the hinge onto the hole position and make sure the hinge falls inward. Do not install the hinge facing upward. Secure the hinge with the small gold screws. Repeat the same step for the second support bar. These rear support bars allow the easel to fold and adjust correctly. 6. Connect the main frame to the base. Now connect the main easel frame to the base. Place the base in front of the main frame. Make sure the front side of the base faces the front of the easel. Find the two longest bolts in the hardware bag. These bolts come with black plastic knobs. Insert the bolts through the side holes where the main frame connects to the base. Add the washers. Then tighten the black knobs. Do this on both sides. Do not fully tighten yet. Leave a little room for adjustment. 7. Connect and secure the rear supports. Now lift the easel into position. Twist the long rear support bar over the shoulder support bar. The two support bars should overlap at the slot position. Find the shoulder bolts with black knobs. Insert each bolt from the inside through the slot. Add the washer. Then tighten the black knob dot dot. Once tightened, the rear support structure will hold the easel upright and prevent it from collapsing. Repeat the same step on the other side. Eighth, install the extension rod and sliding blocks. Next, install the extension rod and sliding blocks. Slide the extension rod into the top channel of the easel. There are 3 sliding blocks. The 2 longer sliding blocks are installed on the lower section of the easel. Insert them into the front channel and tighten them with the black nut screws. The smallest sliding block with one hole is installed on the upper extension rod. Slide it into position and tighten the knob. These sliding blocks are used to hold the canvas in place. Then install the high locking knob. There is one remaining black knob screw. This screw is used to lock the extension rod. Install it into the side hole near the extension rod. To adjust the height, loosen the knob and slide the rod up or down. Once the desired height is reached, tighten the knob to lock the rod in place. 10. Install the caster wheels. Finally, install the caster wheels. Lay the easel carefully on its side or back. Align each caster wheel with the 3 holes at the bottom of the base. Use the provided screws to secure each wheel. Tighten all screws firmly. After all wheels are installed, stand the easel upright. The easel is now ready to use.